My name is Brahmam. I am from Guntur and my college is Chalapati Institute of Engineering and Technologies, and my stream is Computer Science of Engineering. After completing my B.TECH, I have joined Qspiders in program of Express Hire, where I have before joining Express Hire, I am very weak in technical skills as well as programming also. After joining Express, they have grown me a lot on technical skills as well as how I can present an in the interview. And then before going to the company, they will groom us on both the aptitude, Java, Selenium, all the concepts. Just we have to read the concepts what the sir have been said, and we have to keep on consistently. We have to read all the concepts, and then mainly aptitude. They main focus upon aptitude and the presentations. In presentations, we have to discuss what are the concepts have been done, and then thank you.